going on, guys? So in today's video, we are going to be getting rid of the 300ZX and the Lexus. They are leaving the house to go to somewhere a whole lot better than here because I destroy cars and it's bad. I'm sorry, guys. The Z is leaving. All the body kit is leaving with the Z. We just loaded up the Lexus to leave, and the 300ZX will be next. They're going to a better place. They're going to a better home. Got to the shop, I'm gonna unload the car, and then swing back to the house and get the other car, and then swing back to the house and get the other car, maybe. I promise. Hell yeah. Jacob's gonna do a burnout for us. Jacob's gonna do a burnout. Robert's car. This? I'm gonna try to do a burnout. You're gonna try to do a burnout? You gonna break it? I'm gonna see if it happens. If it breaks it, we're at the shop already. Alright. I got your money too. Oh, word.
Hey, it's dead.
Alex, the car's dead.
What?
It's probably that battery terminal, bro.
Probably that battery. Was it any light? No. Which one was it?
It's this one right here. Oh, there you go. Go ahead. Oh, keep fucking with it. Hold on.
Nope. Nope.
Robert, go grab the jump box.
It's just not on there.
Yeah, but if I use the fucking...
Nope.
There it is. Good to go. Baby. Good to go. Hell yeah. It's okay, fuck that bumper. I know, that's what I told him. He's like, we use the rest. I was like, man, destroy that bumper, dude. Alright, bro, hold on. It's cold out here, Alex. I'm shaking. I know. Where are we putting this car? Finish. Yeah, let's break it up. Alex, for right now, honestly, it should be in the middle. Like when he pulls out, kind of put it right in front of that white truck. You know what I'm saying? Because we gotta go ahead and push Robert's car in the shop. I'll go behind Robert. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Like right in front of the. Well, yeah.
Yeah, it sounds super. Super healthy. Super healthy.
Just take over the road. Hell yeah.
Dude, you're right. Boosting course.
That's not breaking up anymore. Maybe you just like unclogged something. I don't know. I don't know. Now it's just revving out like nothing. We'll do a burnout now. I'm gonna try to drive it down the road and see if it's... Do a burnout. Oh no, it's definitely gonna break out up under load for sure. Think so? With that thing we gotta adjust. All right, guys, the 300ZX just got here. So I'm loaded off the trailer and get it into the shop. I can't wait. The real question is, can Jacob fit in the window because the door won't open? Can he fit in the window slot to get the car done?
You see how he does that shit?
I'm sorry, man.
But he doesn't put in the video that his ass can't load a car on a trailer.
Facts. Hey, but I'm not gonna lie, guys. I really want to get a trailer here soon, so I'm gonna have to learn all that stuff. But it's just, let the professionals. He does it all the time, so we'll let him do it. And if something fucks up, it's him, not me. It looks absolutely terrible without the body kit. I feel like this is a girl who just wiped all of her makeup off, and she's just, she's not it anymore. She's not a 10 in the club. She's a little dirty 3. Damien, you know about dirty 3s? Oh.
I fuck with 5s and up.
Sounds like dog. Camera over here. Is officially at the shop, baby. Let's go! Woo!
wanted to.
Did it do it or not?
A little bit.
A little bit. Still, it's missing.
What up?
I
Everything.
honestly love the way that sounds. I'm like, that's gotta be, that's perfect. Now we got back to the radio.
They're always trying to tell me do this, do that. Just let me be Bean, bro.
I don't hear notes.
You gonna... Alex,
Let's go, baby!
Alex, do it.
What? Do what?
Air it out.
He did. He already did.
Oh, you did? I didn't even notice. My bad. Fuck.
Hey, Alex, I'd take like a bunch of.
Fuck.
Way to hurt a man's ego. He's like,
Alright guys, so we got a new shop, but these black walls, it's just way too dark. So we're gonna try to paint them white using, we got like 15 gallons. We're gonna see how this goes. I'm kinda hoping we do about half the shop. So yeah, let's paint the walls. So the first wall we're gonna start with is the back of the shop, kinda test the white paint, see how it lays down on the black. So let's paint the wall. Alright guys, so the shop is almost all the way done. We got the lights in, we got the walls painted, well, kind of painted. There's some areas that need some more painting, but you know, it is what it is. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Also, just so you know guys, little secret, little hint, we got a little something over here. That'll be in the next video though. But thank you guys so much for watching. We are so blessed for everybody that has been subscribed for a long time, all the new subscribers, everyone, we really, really, truly appreciate it. None of this could be possible without you guys, especially not this car, the new car, this car, the Subaru, the Hellcat that we just picked up. None of it could be possible without all of you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Peace.